Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we bring you the real deal on all things beauty. Today, we're diving into the Bedhead Rock and Waver Digital Tapered Curling Wand. If you're craving those perfectly tousled, natural-looking waves with a bit of texture, this might just be your new best friend. Let's take a closer look and see if this tool lives up to the hype. The Rock and Waver isn't just another curling iron. It's got some serious tech under the hood. The standout feature here is the Shine Master plated technology, designed to deliver fast heat and a massive amount of shine for smooth, bouncy waves. With its digital controls, you've got 10 temperature settings, ranging from a gentle 250 degrees Fahrenheit to a sizzling 430 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's got something for every hair type, whether you're rocking fine locks or thick, coarse hair. The tapered barrel design is where the magic happens. Ranging from 3/4 inch to 1 inch, it gives you those perfect beachy waves with some texture and volume. Plus, this wand is clamp-free, so it's super easy to use without worrying about kinks or unwanted creases. And if you're not a pro at curling yet, don't worry. The heat protective glove included in the box ensures that you can style your hair safely without burns. Now let's talk about the real-world experience. Using the Rock and Waver was a breeze. I found that the tapered barrel created a mix of loose and tight waves, which looked super natural. The digital controls allowed me to adjust the temperature quickly so I could style without worrying about overheating my hair. It heated up fast, no more waiting around for ages. The lightweight design made it easy to maneuver, and the dual voltage made it perfect for travel. The clamp-free design really shone for me. I love that I could just wrap the hair around the barrel without worrying about awkward clips or dents. And that heat glove? Total lifesaver. It made styling so much faster, and I didn't have to stress about burning my fingers. When it comes to performance, this curling wand delivered long-lasting waves without the crunch or frizz that some other styling tools leave behind. The waves stayed intact throughout the day, and I didn't have to touch up once. If you're aiming for those lived-in, effortless waves, this tool nails it. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. While the multiple temperature settings are great for customization, you'll need to be cautious if you're not used to digital controls. Sometimes it's easy to get caught adjusting the wrong setting mid-style. Additionally, while the auto shutoff feature is a safety plus, I do find myself double-checking if I turned it off after every use. As for value for money, this curling wand sits at a mid-range price, but considering the tech features, versatility, and results, I think it's worth the investment, especially if you love that natural texture and shine without the crunchiness that comes from traditional curling irons. Compared to other wavers on the market, this one holds up quite well in terms of ease of use and the final look. In terms of build quality, the wand feels sturdy and durable. It's lightweight enough for extended use without hand fatigue, and the universal dual voltage makes it perfect for styling at home or on the go. Plus, the heat protective glove is a nice touch, ensuring that you can style your hair faster and more safely. For those of you who've tried it or are still on the fence, this wand is ideal for anyone seeking that natural, tousled, beachy vibe that holds up all day. It's perfect for styling in a rush without sacrificing your hair's health or shine. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly alternative, there are a few similar curling wands out there, but most of them don't offer the same versatility in temperature settings or shine-enhancing technology. If you're a stickler for quality and want waves that actually stay in place, the Rock and Waver is a solid choice. So does it live up to the claims? Absolutely. The Bedhead Rock and Waver makes styling natural, textured waves easier than ever, and the results are truly impressive. If you're after effortless, shiny waves, this one's for you. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.